Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to customize the Squarespace blog title font. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here at Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner, and from here, you can continue with Google. You can use your business or working email, but if you click the more options, you can continue with Apple, your Facebook account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, using a custom font for your blog titles allow you to maintain consistency with your brand's visual identity. Now, you can choose a font that aligns with your brand's personality and values, reinforcing brand recognition across your website. Now, Squarespace allows you to make any template with ease. In this instance, if you don't have a template for your blog yet, you might want to click on the blog type here. And from here, you can select the best template that matches. It's a very easy. Now, maybe we use the plants and pots for your home. All right, so maybe let's click this one. Now we can start with the design, right? Maybe let's use this pattern, or you can simply use a pattern that you like. And from here, just click on the start with this design, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions, right? Now, once you are in this page, you can rename your site title. Just click on Get Started, and from here, for us to be able to change the blog title font, what we need to do next is, now for you to access the custom CSS editor, just go to Website, hover to Pages, and from here, just click on the Website Tools under Utilities, click on it, and there you have it. That's where the magic's gonna happen. Here are the custom files, and the first thing we need to do is put this specific code here, just like that. Now when you do it, basically the font will definitely change in terms of the color, but if you're not happy with that, what you can do from here is just click on the custom files. Now you can add images or fonts to your blog font title. Now in terms of that, maybe we can drag and drop any fonts that we have. Now you have two options. You can simply go to Google Fonts. Now we have a separate video on how to add Google Fonts to your Squarespace website, but in this instance, we are going to use a sample font that we can use on our blog site. Now it's up to you where you wanted to choose, because maybe I'm gonna choose this one right here. It's the Rubik's Scribble. Now click on it. Now from here, you have three options for you to get the font. Click on this button in the upper right corner, and from here you can click on share, wherein you can just copy the link, or you have an option to download the file as an OTF, right? Or you can simply get the embed code, copy that code, and then hover down to the custom CSS. Just here, all you're gonna do is paste that. Now another option that we had, if you're not happy with that, is just click again the custom files, click on the add images or fonts. Let's do it now. Go back to the Google Font, click on the download option, and once it's been downloaded, just click on the add fonts here. Locate in your file folder. As you can see, the file has been added. Now from here, you can rename the we have a separate video on how to rename your font here in the custom CSS option. Now if you're not happy with that, you can also try to experiment, like putting something like an entry title right here, or in terms of the font weight, click on it, and once you're happy, click on save. But remember, for you to be able to check on these said changes, you might want to click on the mobile version as well, so you can see if the font that you had if you're happy with that, because if you're not, all you're gonna do is just type in all of the custom code right here and choose another font style that suits your brand identity, right? If you are not happy with the Google fonts, you can always go here at the Adobe fonts, wherein you can just log in using your credentials, and from here you can select the font style that suits your preference, your style, and what's the best font style that represents your brand. All right, there's a lot that you can choose. Say for example, we click this option right here, and from here you can simply click on the add font or download it. It's the same process. When you go to the custom CSS editor, just click on the custom file and click on add fonts that you have downloaded in the Adobe fonts. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.